Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the noun case. So, do you know what it means? What do you understand by noun case? So, my dear students, the case of a noun tells us how the noun is being used in relation to other words in the sentence. Noun in English have 5 cases, and the kinds of cases are nominative case, objective case, possessive case, vocative case, and dative case. Now, first of all, nominative case. Nominative case, a noun is said to be in the nominative case when it is the subject of the verb in the sentence. Or in other words, you can say a noun or pronoun that stands as the subject of a verb in the sentence is said to be in the nominative case. As you can see here in the example, my mom cooks good food. So here, my mom is used as the subject of the sentence, so it is the nominative case of the sentence. Now, the second kind is the objective case. So, a noun is in the objective case when it is the object of the verb. Or in other words, you can say a noun or pronoun that stands as the object of a verb in a sentence is said to be in the objective case. As in the example, you can see, I love to read books. Here in this sentence, books is used as the object of the sentence. So, books is here the objective case of the sentence. The third kind is the possessive case. Possessive case. Possessive case is described as a noun or pronoun that denotes the possession or ownership of anything in a sentence. Or in other words, you can say a noun is used in the possessive case to show possession or ownership of something. We add apostrophe s at the end of the noun to show that something or someone belongs to it. For example, if it is written the house of Rama, when we use the possessive case, we will write down Rama's house. My dear students, if the noun is singular, we add an apostrophe and s. If the noun ends in s, we can add s or just an apostrophe. However, if the noun is plural, we only add an apostrophe mark. Now, my dear students, I hope nouns cases are as clear as crystal in your mind. Take care and goodbye.